In the previous video, we already learned how to grade assignment submission. In this video, we'll take a look how to build and use rubric in scoring. To create a rubric, click the three dots on the right side of the assignment, then select Edit. Now, below the right panel of the page, you can see the Rubrics button. Click the button and choose Create Rubrics. A rubrics page will appear. Add a criterion title, criterion description, required points, level title, and a level description.
Now we will add our first criterion. Add criterion description. The required points and a label title. Add label descriptions.
Click the plus sign to add level. Add points for this level. Level title. And level description. Repeat the process to add another label on the rubrics. You can add another criterion by clicking the Add Criterion button below, or click the three dots to duplicate the criterion. As you can see, our point will also double. So we need to create or edit the total points to become only 100 points. Click Save button to save rubrics. Now we already have these rubrics for this assignment. Click Save to save this assignment with rubrics. Now we will try to use these rubrics to grade the assignments. Click Turn in to view student work. Click the student name to view rubrics. As you can see, we can now easily grade assignment using rubrics. Click the student work attachment and check the output. And grade assignment using rubrics. Click Return to return these assignments to your students. So now, we know how to use rubrics in scoring the assignments. In the next video, we will explore different ways on accessing Google Forms to create quiz.